Okay guys, I am just experimenting and retwisting my hair, and I really wanted to take you guys along, so I'm going to be doing a kind of like a little lock knot. So all I'm going to do is twist it. Okay, then I'm going to take it and I'm going to wrap it, stick my hands right inside of that little loop, and I'll have it just like that. See that? Okay, let's do one more. And if you feel like it ain't real tight, just kind of give it a pull. Okay, let's do one more. I'm just experimenting, y'all, with some different things. That's all. Okay, so I'm going to take my aloe vera gel, because that's what I retwist with. I'm going to act like I'm twisting it. Act like you're twisting it. And then go in and just make that. Just act like you're twisting it. See? Okay, and then just go in and just, it'll curl upon itself. And stick it right in there like a little lock knot. See that? And if you feel it's coming undone, just stick it through a little more. So there we go, y'all. Got my 2 lock knots. And what I always do, y'all, is I spray my locks with, this is rose water and vitamin E. I always used to do that before I retwist it. And I retwist with aloe vera gel. Okay? So I'm just going to take this, guys, and twist it. I'm going to leave my little little thing on there too. I'm not going to take it off. So if you keep on going, you guys, it'll twist upon itself. And then you just put it and then stick that right through. And that give it kind of like some extra pizzazz too with the little thing inside of it. And you know what, y'all, I'm just taking each lock and just doing it. Just like if I was retwisting it. I'm acting just like that. And I was finna do it, you guys, with some rubber bands. But for some reason, y'all, I just don't like the rubber bands. Not that I think it's going to break my hair off or anything. It's just sometimes hard for me to get rubber bands out, even though I know so many tricks to get them out. But I just would prefer not to use rubber bands this time. Maybe like once my hair get a little longer, I'll start using rubber bands, especially for the lock petals. Okay, so again, you guys, I'm taking my aloe vera mix. Okay, acting like I am doing my retwist. And then I am just letting it loop upon itself, making a loop, and sticking that lock right through. It's going to be super easy to get undone. And what I'm going to do, y'all, is I'm actually going to sit under the dryer too.